Howdy all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with 3 Yales, 3 just random Yale padlocks that we're going to pick open today. So I've not picked these open yet. I just kind of wanted to see if I could do it. I'm kind of forcing the shit out of these pins. Putting a lot of attention on these. Alright, there's one. Let's see here. Yeah, interesting little locks here. They're 5 pinners. So, there we go. There's that one. Ooh. And last but not least, see if we can get this bad boy. All right. And there we go. So again, just 3 random Yale locks. I just wanted to see if I could pick them open. I guess we should check to see if these keys work on these 2, right? Oh, actually they do. On that guy. See if these ones work. I just want to make sure that they sent the right keys with the right lock. Yeah, they did. So, sweet. This black one doesn't have a key, so it's all good. Thanks so much for watching. This is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.